Good to see you, class. This is Harshi, your science instructor. Today I am taking up chapter number 5, the world of animals. Today we are starting unit number 3, Animal Kingdom. In this unit, kids, we will learn about different types of animals, big animals, small animals, birds, insects, their young ones and their homes. Of your course book, Science Horizon Acknowledged Series by Amit Publication House. Under this lesson, we will learn about animals, birds, insect, reptiles and where do animal live, means in water or on land, right? So are you all excited to learn about the animals? So let's begin the chapter, kids. There are many animals in the world. They have distinct features. So let us learn about them. Animals are living things like us. We are living things. Animals also are living things. They breathe, they walk, they eat food, they drink milk, right? They drink water, right? So, they are called living things. They also give birth to their young ones. So, we see different type of animals according to their size and shapes. Animals are found on land as well as in water, right? So, let's discuss about animals. So, according to their size, we have grouped them into very small, big and very big animals, right? We will discuss about all these 4 categories in detail. First, we will start with very small animals. Very small animals like rat, squirrel, rabbit and mongoose are the example of very small animals. You see, they are very small in size, right? Next, we will discuss about small animals. Small animals means like dog, goat, sheep and deer. Yes, they are bigger from the small animals, but they are not as big animals are. So, what are our big animals? Animals like horse, cow, buffalo, bear are the examples of big animals. But again, these animals are not as big as very big animals. They are bigger than small animals, but they are not as big as very big animals. So, what all animals are kept in this category, kids? Animals like camel, hippo, giraffe and elephant have been kept in this category. So, now you can identify, well, the animal is small animal or very small, big or very big. Correct, students? So, let's move on and check your knowledge. Given below are the pictures of some animals. Rank them with the numbers according to their size. Start with the smallest and end with the biggest. You can do it very easily, yes? So, first one is rat. It is very small. And then cat and dog. They are small, right? And next is buffalo, then lion and the last one is hippo, because hippos are very big animals, right, kids? So, let's see what we have next. Birds. We all love to watch birds. When we get up in the morning, we hear the chirping sounds of birds. Like, it is very pleasant to hear. Very good. So, birds have feather on their body. They have 2 legs and they have two wings to fly. Yes, they have wings to fly and they walk and hop with their legs, right? Examples of birds, pigeon, parrot and sparrow, right? But you know, some birds cannot fly like ostrich, emu, kiwi. They are not able to fly. So we call them flightless birds. They are birds but they cannot fly. Ostrich is very heavy in weight. Yes, that is why it is not able to fly. Okay. Penguin and kiwi, again they are not able to fly. Penguin runs very fast and in fact ostrich also runs very fast. Some birds like eagle, swan, etc. they can swim. Yes, and ducks too, they can swim but they cannot fly. Birds use their beak to food, to eat. But one interesting fact, the birds don't have teeth. Yes, they use their beak to eat, right? Next is insect. Insect are very tiny creature, kids, and they have 6 legs. Like animals have 4 legs and birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. Birds can fly as well as they can walk, right? They can hop. Insects have 6 legs and they are very tiny creature. Common examples of insects are ants, cockroaches, termite. But some insects have wings too, like housefly, mosquitoes, butterflies, right? They have what? They have wings to fly. But they cannot fly as high as birds can, right? So we have seen the examples of insects. The spider is also very tiny creature, but it has how many legs? It has 8 legs, right? Reptiles. Reptiles don't have legs. They crawl on the ground. So that is why they are called reptiles. Reptiles, example of reptiles are snake. How snake moves, kids? Snake crawls on the ground on their body. Some reptiles have small legs like lizards, crocodile, tortoise. They have small legs but they are reptiles. They use their legs while crawling on the ground, alright? Where do animals live? As I told you in the beginning of the class, that animals live on land, some live in water. The animals, some live on trees like monkeys, squirrel. Where do they live? They live in trees. Animals like bear, dog, leopards, they live on land. And some animals live in water too, like octopus, shark, seahorses. We call them aquatic animal. You will learn lot of things in the next class about the aquatic animals, kids. Some animals like crocodile, frog, tortoise, duck, etc. they live on land as well as in water. Yes, they can live on land and in water too. Frog, tortoise and ducks are the common examples of such kind of animals, right? So just quickly revise the keywords and the explanation. Wings. What are wings? Wings are the parts of the body that helps birds or some insect to fly. Next is hop, moving by jumping with all feet off the ground. Yes, when you jump and then again on ground, again you are off from the ground and again you are on the ground. What is insect? Insect, a tiny creature with 6 legs, but spider has 8 legs. Tiny, tiny means very small. Next is creature, a living thing that has life or that can move. We have already discussed the living things characters, right, in the last chapter in living and non-living. So, creatures are the living things. Crawl. Crawl is to move on belly. Belly means your stomach, or on the hands and knees, etc. Like reptiles, they crawl. Again, reptile, an animal that crawls instead of walking. Let's recall. Animals are living things like us. Animals are of different sizes and shapes. Birds have wings to fly, but they can walk also, they can hop also. Some birds cannot fly, they are called flightless bird, like ostrich, kiwi, ducks, penguins. Some birds like eagle, swan, etc. can swim. Insects are tiny creatures with 6 legs. Animals that crawl instead of walking, they on the ground, they are called reptiles. And animals live on land and in water or in the trees. Good. So let's do the exercises together, kids. First is take the correct option. Which of the following is a small animal? Horse, rabbit, giraffe or camel? Which is the small animal? That is rabbit. Which of the following birds can fly? Ostrich, sparrow, kiwi and penguin. Obviously sparrow, because ostrich, kiwi and penguin are flightless birds. Birds do not have dash. They do not have teeth. Right? Oh, like here it is B. Right? I am showing you how to fill it. You do it on your own. It should be completely filled. Okay, kids. Next is, which of the following is not an insect? Termite, ant, butterfly and eagle. Eagle is bird. It is not insect. Which of the following can live both on land and in water? Ostrich, leopard, frog and squirrel. It is frog. It can live on land as well as in water. Fill in the blanks. Animals are dash things like us. Animals are, tell me the answer, kids. Great. It is, animals are living things. The camel is a very dash animal. Camel is example of big animal. Okay. Birds have dash on their body. Birds have wings to fly. Insects have dash legs. How many legs insects have? Correct. Insects have 6 legs. The dash crawl on their body. So, the animals that crawl instead of walking, we call them reptiles. Alright, kids. Move on to the next question. Write 2 examples of birds that cannot fly. Can you tell me? Excellent. It is kiwi and ostrich are the examples of birds, or you can say flightless birds. Insects that can fly. Insects that can fly are butterfly, and housefly. So, the third one is reptiles that have small legs. Reptiles like lizards and tortoise have small leg. So the fourth one is animals that live in trees. Animals that live in trees are monkey and squirrels. Okay kids, have you done? Very good. So question number D, answer the following questions. Name two animals which are neither very big and nor very small. Means you need to write down the answers. The animals that are big in size. The animals that are big in size are cow, horse, buffaloes, right? What help the birds to fly? It's wings that helps the bird to fly. Which is the largest animal in the world? Ostrich is the largest animal in the world, kids. And the last one is, how many legs does an insect have? Insect have 6 legs and spider has 8 legs. Right kids? So that's all for animals. Stay excited for clamp of another videos kids. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.